Well, to do this exercise, you'll need a 10 frame, which could be just 10 boxes drawn, but you'll want 5 in the top row and 5 in the bottom row. You'll want to count them to be sure that there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because you've already worked with the 5 frame, you won't even have to count those 5. You could count on. You could go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Practicing with the 5 frame before the 10 frame will help you more and more with playing with those numbers and really knowing your numbers. Well, they have all kinds of math manipulatives, but one of my favorites for a 10 frame is just a bowl of cereal without the milk. But I try to choose the ones I look on the outside that have colors, and blue seems to be harder to find, so I like the one that has blue in it because I have lots of colors to choose from. So if I'm using my 10 frame and I want to make a number, first I usually do it in a plain color first so I know how many squares I need to fill. So let's start with 6. 1, 2, 3, oh those are stuck together, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of my cereals on there, and I chose 6 green. I chose green because some of my students right now really love green. So I chose 6 green. Well, that's one way to make 6 green. Oh, there's another way to make 6 green. There's a way to make 6 green. There's a way to make 6 green. What if I put that over there? Another way to make 6 green. Notice I used the exact same cereal, so I didn't have to recount. And all of those are different ways to make 6. If I wanted to do it in a more organized manner, I would use my 5 frame and one more. But another way to make 6 would be to change one of the colors. 5 greens and 1 orange. How about 5 greens and 1 blue? That's another way. What about 2 blue and 4 greens? All of those are ways to make 6. As you get better and better with the numbers, you aren't going to jump around as much. Most of the time, you'll start out with that basic 5 frame, and then the larger numbers down here, find your place, and then start moving around and saying, well, there's another way. There's another way. There's another way. You know, those kinds of games you can play, but you might want to start out each time with that 5 frame plus 1 more makes 6. It'll teach you addition at the same time, because looking at this, I know that 4 plus 2 is 6. It will transfer later in my math, and it'll help me understand, and I can get out my 10 frame and check. So making numbers with that 10 frame sure is fun. I hope you enjoyed that.